Ano naman, dahil sa Kawili Pro po. Coach, ano lang siguro yung sinabi niyo sa team niyo after nung slow start nung first set para makuha yung group?
Sinabi? Mag-relax muna. Yung excitement siguro nung pag-join dito yung nanguna nung medyo stiff kami nung start ng first set. Pero yun lang. Kasi alam naman nila yung igagalaw saka ilalaro namin. Sadyang lang talaga dahil yung kalaban, umi-effort din talagang lumaban. Kaya stiff kami.
Sa'yo, Mika, personally, ano lang pakiramdam, parang ito ulit yung first time na makalaro kayo against international team. Tapos maganda pa yung pinakita mo na yun.
Of course, we're very grateful for this opportunity kasi hindi naman din lahat nabibigyan ng chance na ganito, lalo na ABC pa to. So, coming to this tournament, very excited din kami na kahit gano'n nangyari sa PBL namin, parang may isa pa kaming chance na ma-redeem yung sarili namin. So, the fact na naka-join kami dito, masaya na, maganda opportunity na rin.
John Marquez has been that Wilma, how's the experience playing back here in the Philippines, but this time a different shade of red with PLDT?
Yes, I'm so happy for come back here to Philippines. This time I played for PLDT. I feel so happy because I feel like a family in this team. Incredible girls, super coach. So nothing more to say about this because I feel like in home. Yes.
How was the decision-making process for you? Like when PLDT made the call?
Okay. I finished my season in Italy and called Arnold Rador, called to me and Wilma. Okay, yeah, you are ready. Okay, I'm ready, and I go to you. I go to Philippines. So yes, this is the decision. It's a decision. Yes.
And for Sabi, coming off a strong performance in the PBL, how was the 1 week sort of break for you to prepare and recharge for this tournament and playing for the Philippines as well for the first time?
I think the silver lining is that we got to rest coming off the PBL quarterfinals. And we went back to the basics during training and stuff, and obviously welcoming Wilma and trying to build that chemistry that we didn't have prior. So I'm glad that we did have the time to kind of prepare for the ABC because it's going to be pretty, difficult in the upcoming games.
Coach, ano lang po siguro yung naging, or bakit po siguro nauwi sa 2 imports lang po yung naging female ng PLDT? Or kinonsider niyo po ba yung third, or were you really satisfied with having the 2 of them before this competition?
Siguro it's more of management decision, pero at the same time, isa kasi sa mga objective is to give chance dun sa locals natin. Kasi mas gusto namin siya maging long term na may experience ng team katulad nung yung nilaline up sa PBL na madala sa PBL next conference.
And for me, national team veteran ka din. Of course, you've represented the Philippines many times. So, the experience ba na to, was there anything different sa feeling mo? Or, kumbaga, you were already used to gandong klaseng environment, conditions, pressure?
Siguro, mas masaya lang maglaro ngayon kasi dito sa Manila dito siya ginawa. So, makakanood pa rin yung family and friends namin. And yung support from everyone na hindi lang kung i-compare ko kasi sa PBL, syempre, yung support ng Creamline, support ng Petrogas, sinusuportahan nila rin kami. So, we're very happy, of course.
Kennedy Cup by ABS-CBN News. Savi, I think this is your first international competition. How does it feel playing against?
It's weird to hear you say it's my first because I've just played in different countries. I've played the type of volleyball kind of all over, but I just haven't played, against with the flag. I'm very happy to have this opportunity, especially here in the Philippines. I think my first international tournament, I was kind of going into it just not expecting, anything out of the ordinary. It's just, simple game. Try to keep it back to the basics, like, coach said beforehand, like it's the same game, it's gonna look the same out of system, passing wise, serving wise. So just kind of take control of our side of the court, and I think we did a pretty good job at that.
Wilma, were there discussions with your former team, Petrogas,
you talked to Pedro before?
Yes, I thought, yes. But, okay, I take my decision, so I come here.
Kiko Demili from One Sports. Sabi, you mentioned before about needing that support, whenever in offense. How does it feel to have Wilma by your side, a veteran in this league?
I think in this last game, I think midway through the game, I told myself I just wanted to focus more on defense and passing. And typically that's not something that really goes through my mind, especially in the PBL. It's usually towards offense. So it's nice to not have that I must score feeling all the time, and just kind of set the pace on my own, in terms of how I play, obviously. But yeah, it helps just focus on other things and obviously the team entirely.
And then Wilma, I guess from Petrogas to now PLDT, what can you say is the biggest difference with your team now, as compared to before?
The difference is like nothing. It's only about the coach. It's different coach, different improve, for go more. So I think the good person, the coach, good person, the girl. I think it's like the same. So it's nothing the different. I feel good.
Can we have one last question?
Dennis Hilanga from Radyo Pilipinas. For you, Coach and Mika, how significant lang para sa team na nandito na ulit si Kiana din na naglalaro for PLDT?
Kahit naman nung last conference, big addition talaga na makompleto yung lineup namin. Yun nga, yung with Kiana na minamanage namin din yung playing type niya last conference. Yung presence nung pasulpot-sulpot siya, very important naman sa amin. Yun lang talaga this time, since medyo nakaka-recover na talaga fully, gusto namin bigay yung sa kanya, opportunity.
Ikaw, Mina, yun.
I think yung chemistry pa rin inside the court since kinakabaan niya pa rin kasi yung mga nasa loob. So, marami pa rin kami kailangan ayusin and we're happy na nakabalik na rin talaga siya totally.
With that, we'll wrap up the questions so that the players